Today we're looking at resistive sensors. We're going to attach a resistive sensor to the Arduino, read its value, and blink an LED. So the program, for your reference, the program on the Arduino here that we're going to be running is called analog input. So if you look under examples in the Arduino IDE, you go to examples, under analog input. And what that does is it reads the analog voltage supplied at pin A0, which is right here. It reads that voltage, and according to that voltage, it changes the rate at which the LED will blink. Now, which LED? The LED that's wired to pin 13. So that's pin 13 over here. There's an LED right up there. So that's going to blink, and the speed at which it blinks is going to depend on the voltage read at A0. And using this resistive sensor right here, this is a photoresistor, by the way. It senses brightness of light. Its resistance will change with the brightness. So using this, we will we'll wire that to A0, and then what will happen is the rate of blinking will change according to how bright it is. So let's wire it together. And the resistive sensor right here will be, the photoresistor will be that blue block in the diagram, blue rectangle. So let's plug that in first. Plug it into two arbitrary rows. A little hard to get the wire in. There it is. Okay, now let's take the resistor and connect that. Now one end of the resistor is connected to the photoresistor. So this is a 10 kilo ohm resistor. One end goes to the photoresistor, to the sensor. So it's the same row, and then the other one goes some arbitrary row. Okay. Now, let's see, the resistor, its other terminal connects to ground, so we'll wire this into here and into ground. This is a ground pin on the Arduino. And then the sensor, its top input, connects to power. So we'll connect this into this row and wire it into power, and we're using 5 volts for power. I think I'm seeing that right. Okay. So now the last connection is to take the point between the resistor and the photoresistor, so this row, and connect that to pin A0, because that's the voltage that we want to read. So we'll take that, connect that to pin A0. There we go. Okay, so that should be it. Now, what I will do is plug in the Arduino. Now, I've already uploaded the Arduino with the program, so plug it in. Okay, now if you can see this, you can see that the LED is blinking at a certain rate. Now what I expect is that if suddenly it becomes dark in the room, that rate should speed up. Now I don't want to turn off the light in the room, although I could, but I won't do that. Instead, I will just cover up the photoresistor to simulate turning off the light. So if I take this photoresistor and I cover it up, see the speed sped up, right? Slow. Fast. That's it.